Preparing authentic stir-fry meals is fast and easy with the Aroma electric wok. Snap in the temperature probe that includes a trigger release to keep the probe safely in place while cooking. Next, plug the wok into an electrical outlet and turn up the temperature. The 5-quart wok heats up quickly to stir-fry sliced meats, vegetables, seafood, rice, or other ingredients in your favorite dish. Or steam vegetables using the included rack. Carefully monitor your meal as it cooks through the tempered glass lid. The lid's adjustable vent controls the moisture level while cooking and steaming. Cleanup is easy. Turn off the heating element and unplug from the outlet. Release the probe from the heating element. Detach the wok from the base with a simple twist. Then immerse the wok and lid into water for cleaning. The wok also includes a rack to allow tempura to drain after frying and extra long chopsticks for preparing food. Fresh, authentic stir-fry. It's now as easy as plugging in the Aroma electric wok. Product number AEW-306.